Namaste. Hi, I'm Vinita Surana and I'm the Executive Director of Surana Group of Companies. Primarily, we are into solar, real estate and copper. तो हमारी कंपनी की शुरुआत हुई with telecom, where we used to do the cables, the underground cables. But when the world moved from wire to wireless, we missed out on that technology. And then came in, every dip has its high. So that's when we got into the solar business. This solar business was just booming at that time, and we were one of the earliest players in that. So we do solar farms and we also manufacture solar modules. In real estate, we do IT spaces, a plug and play model for most IT houses. And we also do auto components in the copper industry. जब मैं छोटी थी, everybody would say कि लड़कियाँ ये नहीं करना चाहिए and लड़कियाँ वो नहीं करना चाहिए. तो right from that, I would challenge the norm and I would be like क्यों नहीं? And that क्यों नहीं got me to a lot of places. That क्यों नहीं got me to getting my engineering degree, to getting into an Ivy League school, to being the first woman to join my family business, and also the first woman to start a fund house inside the family business. So a lot of people say कि either you do your own business or you join the family business. I think I have done both. So I still continue to be the director in most of our companies. We have 20 unlisted companies and 3 public listed companies. And at the same time, I've started a fund house called Win-Win Situation, where we support growth stage startups. And it's been such a beautiful journey क्योंकि जब मैं family business join करी थी तो of course there were a lot of resources which we had, but I never knew the value of hunger. When I used to go to startup incubation centers, I realized what hunger means. And I thought if I can culminate the two, we can really do a lot for the growing India. So with that concept, I have come to Lions Den to invest in the right founders, to invest in the right business. And I hope that you will join me in this journey and follow us along, where we showcase the best startups of India to your television sets.